Installing apps allows you to enhance your device's functionality with various tools, entertainment, and services tailored to your needs. Here's how you do it. First, tap on the Home button to return to the home screen. From there, locate and tap on the Play Store icon. Alternatively, you can swipe up to access the app drawer and then open the Play Store from there. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on Apps at the bottom of the screen. If you're interested in installing games, you can tap on Games instead. Now, if you haven't signed into your Google account before, you may be prompted to do so. Once signed in, you'll see your profile icon at the top. Here, you can search for a specific app or explore suggested apps at the bottom. You'll find popular apps displayed at the top, followed by suggested and recommended apps. Simply select the app you want to install, like TikTok, and tap on Install. While the app is installing, you can tap on the back key to explore and install other apps. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the app on your home screen or in the app drawer. You can swipe up to access the app drawer and locate the installed app. Simply tap on it to open and sign in if required. And that's it. You've successfully installed apps from the Play Store on your Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.